Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue shampoo slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a super easy way on how to make no glue shampoo slime, and you only need one ingredient basically. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I'm using the Suave one. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in, and last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to get adding in my shampoo. And that looks like just enough, and this is super clear as you can see. And this is optional, but I'm just going to add a dot of pink food coloring into here. And you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to do this because I love pink slime. I'm going to mix it up. And now the only thing you guys have to do for this recipe to make it work is you're just going to mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm going to get doing that now. That is just enough mixing, oops. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the fridge for about 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about 2 hours, or for you guys a second, when it's all done with the slime. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 2 hours, and here is the soap. And I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but oh my gosh, this made a really awesome slime. Also, don't mind the food coloring on me. I've been making slimes for my Etsy for the past 2 hours, and I'm making a pink slime. But this turned out awesome. It's a bit sticky, which is going to happen when you make no glue slimes because you're using soap. But this turned out really, really great, and I love the color so much. I'm so happy I added some food coloring into here. But look how great this turned out. Okay, but this recipe was a huge win-win for me. I'm so happy it turned out great. I can already tell it's melting a little bit, but that does happen with no glue slime recipes because, you know, you make it with soap. But this recipe was a huge win-win for me. If it worked for you, please put it in the comments down below because I would love to know. And if it didn't work for you, put that in the comments down below as well, and I will try to get back to you and give you some helpful ways on how to make soap into slime. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Also remember to check out all my social medias, my TikTok, my Roblox. It's all linked down below, even my Instagram. But yeah, bye guys, love you so much, and peace, and bye.